Hi, good morning. My name is Diana Ruth Santos Guadalupe. I am going to present my research project for the subject of research methodology. My subject is robot hand emulate system while remote control within the industrial sector. My adversary is Ivan Gallegos Miranda. Within the exhibition, the following topic will be addressed by Crown. Within the industry, machinal devices are used that have to the manipulate or net maintains by an area of risk for personal working within industry. In Mexico, there were a case of occupational accidents, where in some cases the injured people that don't raise and disability. In the article by Quiroga Perez and Carla Duran, um, Mm, he mentions that in some countries, a large part of industrial processes are very limited and there are no programs to that why the accidents that go or in this sector. When this considered the born of precision robotic seems in the word fusion is the manipulable substance hard to the human body. The project consists is the development of a robot hand with remote control from one network. Uh, is designed from the anatomy of a human hand, analysis of movements and force exerted with a certain weight. Problem is that within the industrial process, project require physical control for the handling or maintenance of mechanical device, which can be activated at inappropriate times, causing accidents or long or short turns in lenses. A robot hand with remote control will avoid accidents to the personnel of the industrial sector sign in reduce physical contact in situation of exposure to high-risk areas. In this situation, the robotic hand will emulate the moment that a human hand has when manipulate tool or performing different action in the industry. General objective is implement a robot hand remote control system from a one network in order to avoid within the industrial process the physical contact between personnel and the manipulation of mechanical device, avoiding accidents or disease in the short or long term. Specific objectives is create the hardware needed to develop a robotic hand, develop robotic hand activation software, design and develop the emulation system from an analysis of different moments of a human hand, develop a network communication interface that allows remote control from a one. Central question is according to the different accidents that can occur in the manipulation of mechanical device within the industry, who can a remote system be implemented that allows the control of a robotic hand that emulates the moments a human has? And secondary questions: what are the most common moments a hand makes within the industry? What is the first that a human hand employs within industry? How does a robot hand develop? What technologies will allow the emulation of a human hand? Who will a one network for communication between the control system and the robot hand? What communication protocol will allow a good connection and reception of information? Jus- Justification. Are such and robots have a important relationship with the development of hardware software with it using the control system itself and the same robot Howard. It is not very common the user remote control relating the arts with communication networks for the control of robot system. A remote control system of a robotic hand will develop to replace the physical work of employees. This thanks to the fact that the robotics hand will be controlled for distance from a communication network between the robots had and the control system appearing one network, as is a well are large scale networks and will allow connection over long distance. A solution to the problem resides it is intended to avoid accidents or disease in the short or long term. From the remote hand of mechanical device benefits personnel in the industrial sector by avoiding exports in high risks and also to the companies avoiding human and economic losses. The impacts is scientific algorithm will be used that will allow the emulation of human heart from impulse such and the analysis of different movements as well as mathematical use with it physics and kinematics for the hardware of the robot hand. Technological we appear a one network interface that allows remote communication and social employees will hand machine device with the industry will benefit from avoiding situation of exposure to hazardous areas. Um, state art consider design and implementation of control system for robotic hand user from of Ruiz 2014. Consider the project aims to create a robot hand that is capable of perceiving the moments with as uh, ACL language signals. The robot create assembly the robotic with a mega microcontroller chair with a graphical interface for the coding of the signs. The CAD tool is implemented for the precision of movement in simulation. Um, Considerate robot hand control system replicate moment to manipulate chemical substance. Uh, mm, In play methodology, fast a moment analysis was carrying out. The first applying a point for on the plan. The second applying point force to each of the finds, selecting values from a sensor that measures the maximum force registered by the phys and therefore determine the delay grid force. Uh, Reference and thank you.